Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a cake in a cup with my sister.
Hi everybody, I'm going to help you today, Santos. I'm going to give the ingredients to my brother.
Let's start.
Okay, first I'll give the flour to my brother. He's going to pour it into the cup. Then I'm going to give the sugar to my brother. Then I'm going to give the cocoa powder to my brother. Then I'm going to give the baking powder to my brother. Now he is going to mix it up. Then I'm going to give the milk. Then he is going to mix it up. Then we are going to add some Nutella.
Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Now my sister is going to put the cake inside of the microwave for 1 minute.
It smells yummy.
Now I'm going to add some icing.
We're gonna taste it, see if it's good.
That cake's gonna be delicious.
It looks so yummy. Look at it. Now I'm gonna taste it. Wow, it tastes yummy. Now it's my brother's turn.
Amazing. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe and turn on all notifications. Bye!
Bye.